Okay, you wonderful people. Here we go. This is part 56. Build your own Batmobile Tumbler. Part 56. So yeah, mounting pistons and shock absorbers. Looks pretty complicated, but I don't think it really is. And then once completed, will look like that. And then next week's magazine will be working on the engine panel. So let's have a look at the parts we get with this magazine. Number 56 box. Not a lot in there. KP screws, UP screws, and some rods. And all these parts, apart from the screws obviously, are plastic. So let's crack on with the build. So the first thing we need to do is find out which is left and which is right on these little parts here. And then once we've found that out, so that's the left, that's the right, then all we do is get some of these UP screws and attach these into the holes. Now, the bigger hole is where you go through first. Yeah. So you can just about see there's the big hole there. And there's the smaller hole that side. So we'll just get the screw primed and ready. And that seems to have worked quite nicely. Just want to make sure it's as tight as it will go. Wonderful. Oh, that's wonderful, isn't it? It's just fucking snapped. Fuck. We're going to have to glue that one. Let's try the other one. I think I over tightened it. It was my mistake, but God, not very strong, these parts. Yeah, that's that one done. So we have to hold that for a second while we're waiting for that to set up. Move that to one side. Bring this one in. And this is the left hand side, of which you can't see a thing. So it's gone onto there. Might have to do this off camera. Yeah, that one took forever. But yeah, it's there. And I'll do the other one and we'll be right back. Okay, I'll just show you where we're at. There's that one. And there's that one. So the next stage will be coming up right now. Okay, so undeterred, we'll move on. So you get these struts, and with a KP screw, we'll attach it to the first hole. How the hell am I going to do this? Okay, I've come up with a method. It might help somebody else, I don't know. And basically we're going to remove that section off and then attach this, glue this, stuck this down, and then we can get them on. And this is way of holding it for myself. Don't know how well you can see this. So that's the one in. We'll get the second one in as well. And get these tightened up a touch more. And then we can just insert this back in. So we get to that stage. Then we can move these over. And screw them in. This is the only way I could think of doing it. That's that one in. Yeah, sometimes it's very fiddly. I think even with two hands it's easy fiddly, but you have to adapt sometimes, don't you? So yeah, that, like I said, it's not easy. So I'm not going to rotate this, but I hope you enjoyed that one. Sorry about the swearing earlier. That's just frustration. Don't forget to rate, comment, give us a thumbs up if you fancy it. And I'll catch you on the next one.